In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to key out a background in Nuke and Composite over a new background. We'll go from raw footage to a clean key and a solid composite, keeping it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Start by bringing your footage into the node graph with a read node. You'll see it appear in the viewer once you connect it. Next, add a keyer node by pressing tab and typing keyer. Place it downstream and connect the output of your footage to the keyer's input. This sets you up to isolate the background based on color. Open the keyer's properties and use the color picker to sample the background directly from your shot. Choose an area that represents the background well, ideally a clean, well-lit patch, not a shadow or a hotspot. If your backdrop is uneven, try sampling from a few representative spots until the matte looks consistent. Now adjust the tolerance or threshold controls to remove as much of the background as possible without cutting into your subject. Watch edges like hair and semi-transparent areas. You want them preserved, not clipped. Small, careful tweaks usually work better than big jumps. If you see holes appearing within the subject, reduce the aggressiveness slightly. To evaluate your matte, press A in the viewer to switch to the alpha channel. A clean alpha should show your subject in white and the background in black, with soft grays where transparency is expected, like motion blur or fine hair. Toggle back and forth until you're happy with the separation. Once the alpha looks good, add a pre-mult node after the keyer. This multiplies your RGB by the alpha channel, actually cutting out the background from your pixels. Without this step, you might still see remnants of the original background in your composite. Now merge the keyed result over your new background using a merge set to over. Connect your keyed footage to the A input and your new background to the B input. Check the composite in the viewer to make sure the subject sits naturally on the plate. Finally, refine the edges. Add an erode/dilate node to gently contract or expand the matte, nudging away fringing. Follow with a subtle blur to soften any harsh edges and help the subject blend. Keep these adjustments light. The goal is integration, not a smeared outline. That's it. Import, key, verify alpha, pre-mult, merge, and refine. With